and welcome. Today we're going to discuss Vedita's AI diagnostic tool to help doctors make good decision for diagnosis as well as treatment. Now, how it differs from other AI tools? The biggest difference here is ChatGPT and Gemini will give you certain solution or certain uh, diagnostic advice, but it's based upon its own memory. You do not know whether it's correct or wrong. Herein, we are giving diagnostic advice based upon the protocol that we have designed. So, for example, here is the protocol that we've written for Amajiran. These are the different symptoms and a scale, like how heavy, how intense is that particular symptoms for that particular disease to be diagnosed as Amajiran, and what are the trigger events for it, and how are we saying this is the correct description, where is the reference for our information. This is Madhav Nidan, Charak Samhita, etc. Exact reference of the manuscripts from where this particular information is taken. So the AI will guide correctly based upon the treatment protocol or the diagnostic protocol that we have defined. That's the USB. So let us see how that is being done. So I'm adding a patient. So here I can just dictate and the AI will take what I'm saying and put it in the information, right? So the patient is 50 years old, male, weighing about 80 kgs and height is 5 foot 6 inches. So whatever I said, it has taken that information and it's put in the case sheet like this in our solution, right? And then what I do is I'm going to talk about the symptoms of this particular patient. So the patient is experiencing nausea and headache and also stomach ache from last couple of days. So if I just say that, it is going to take whatever I said and prepare a case sheet here, but also let's say I'm not an experienced doctor, it is going to help me get better symptoms, better information from the patient. So it's asking me, please rate the intensity of each symptoms, low, high, medium. Okay, so I'm going to tell that. Actually, nausea is pretty high. It started happening for a couple of days when the patient went to a restaurant, ate some spicy food, and stomach ache is also pretty high. And yeah, by the way, the family history, yes, yes, yes. So the parents, both the parents are diabetic. So it's the so it takes all that information and puts it over here. Intensity is low, high, prognosis acute, and what are the trigger event for this. So now it is taken the case history. Of course, there's a lot more detail. We're just going to hurry up and show the basic part. So now it has taken the information. It is going to do initial analysis and give us differential diagnosis. So it starts working. It starts looking at the protocol that we've defined. It is going to look at all this and figure out what's the best probability of the diagnosis and give a reason for that. And of course, doctor can apply their own experience and or own mind on what would be the final outcome. Yeah. So here, so it is given a very high probability of Amajiran, right, because of indigestion. And second probability is given Kapha right. So percentage match also is giving us a percentage match. 75% of possibility of Amajiran. So whatever the protocol that you define, based upon that, it is going to give you that. And also it is going to tell you the next set of things to do. Detailed analysis and next set of things to do. And yeah, is okay, recommendation. This thing, Amajiran seems likely, detailed history, asking to get more history and asking to get an examination, more detailed examination done. Proceed with this kind of pariksha, Nadi pariksha, Mala pariksha, etc. is asking. So it's a decision support system based upon the protocol that the hospital or the clinic has defined. Yeah.